And if you would like me to highlight your Igbo name, if you're Igbo, let me know, hit my DM, and I will highlight your Igbo name and let everyone know what your Igbo name means and the personal traits and characteristics and things like that, you know, that usually come along with your name. So if you want your name featured, you can do that. If you do not have an Igbo name, I can gift you one. Let me know the personal characteristics that you have, and I will be able to basically tell you what your name would be if you were Igbo. All right. I know there's a lot of people who are interested in learning more about their African ancestry, so I think this is a great way to do this. Please let me know if you'd like to know more about Nigerian culture. Thanks a lot, take care, and I will see you in the next video.